With the ever-changing dynamics of the digital world, streamless connectivity is foremost importance in this age. We are Eiko Techno, an advanced materials company developing disruptive technologies to solve critical challenges of 5G and 6G connectivities. Now, telcos are expected to use up to 9 times more electricity to power its 5G networks versus 4G, where up to 90% signal strength is lost once transmitted indoors. According to Ericsson Market Survey, more than 50% of existing Korean 5G users are complaining about the weak indoor signal problem. Our NamiGate is the only passive solution in the market that allows 5G and 6G signal to pass through glass and other building materials seamlessly without costly installation. It's the only one-sided installation indoors for two-sided signaling. NamiGate can be attached to existing glass windows or embedded into windows for new buildings to compensate for more than 80% of 5G signal loss. Our technology has been validated by independent third-party testing labs, including SGS and TUV, and also first-tier telcos in Japan, Singapore, and Hong Kong. NamiGate could significantly reduce telcos' capex requirements for indoor 5G and 6G coverage. It can be adopted for home, office, retail premises, and any kind of public transport vehicles. It also reduces up to 90% of carbon footprints through its operation. All you have to do is attach NamiGate to the window and stop worrying about weak indoor signals. To learn more, visit our website at www.eicotech.com. Eiko Techno, connected future linking others.